What's up guys, welcome back to ROM Sorry. Let's look at how to install latest OxygenOS 10.3.9 port on Xiaomi POCO F1. The ROM is the port of Oneplus 6. Keep in mind that this build is not from OOF gang directly. So let's see what this ROM can offer in terms of features and performance. So before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. To begin with, you need to have the preferred recovery and the ROM file. Links are there in the description. Once download finishes, move all the files into your micro SD card. Now let's quickly get into settings and remove all security measures and Google account linked with your phone currently. If you are from MIUI, remove your MI account to avoid unwanted lockouts. Once this done, power off your device. Now press and hold power button followed by the volume up key till you see the boot logo. Once you are in TWRP recovery, first is to flash the preferred recovery file. Currently I am using the same recovery, but I will flash it once again to show you guys. So navigate into downloaded recovery file. I am using OOF gang modded TWRP version 7. Select the recovery file and from the pop-up message select recovery and swipe to flash. After flashing, reboot your phone into recovery once. Once you are back into TWRP recovery, select wipe. Now select Dalvik cache, system vendor, data and internal memory. Swipe to wipe. Once formatting finishes, select home. Install micro SD card and navigate into the ROM file. Select the ROM file and swipe to flash. Wait till ROM finish flashing. Selecting reboot after installation is totally your preference. You can also reboot manually. Keep in mind that to verify for any errors during installation process. Once installation finishes, your phone will reboot or else reboot manually. Wait until booting finishes. You will be able to see Oneplus boot logo now. Let me quickly finish the first boot steps and come back. So as you see, the ROM does got the behavior of OxygenOS. Now quickly get into about phone session and check. If you see, the device name is changed to OnePlus 6 and OxygenOS version is 10.3.9. The build is based upon Android 10. If you select Android version, you will get more details on this ROM. Security update is from 1st Feb 2021 and it is coupled with AMOG 787 kernel. So yeah, that's it guys. I'll be making a usage and performance review of this ROM. If you like my work, please leave a like and subscribe. That's all for today. Till next time, be safe and take care.